2012 13-inch. Today we are going to upgrade our MacBook with SSD. It's 250 GB SSD we are going to upgrade. We are upgrading our MacBook Pro with Western Digital SSD 250 GB. It's a blue Western Digital blue, and it's a very high performance SSD. First of all, you need to remove the screws of from the back side. Uh, there are 10 screws in the back side, and there are 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, which is very longer in size, and 7 screws which are of same size, but which are short in size. For removing the screws, you need a Phillips screwdriver 1.5. So let's start with removing the screws. After removing the screws, you need to take the back cover out. This is the hard drive slot. This is the RAM slot. Make sure before doing anything, you need to remove the battery connector, and it is important to remove the battery connector first while handling, after removing the back cover, so that your computer will not get any damage. First of all, we need to remove these 2 screws from the hard drive holder. For that, you need same Phillips 1.5 screwdriver, which we have used earlier. After removing this hard drive holder, we need to remove this SATA connector. We need to remove it very gently. This is our existing hard drive. We need to remove these 4 screws out of it. For that, we need a T6 screwdriver. It basically holds the hard drives in the hard drive slot properly. This is our old hard drive which we are going to remove or replace. So this is the Western Digital 250 GB 3D NAND SATA SSD WD Blue. It is very light in weight and very high performance SSD. So first we need to attach the screws in this SSD. Make sure that you have tightened the screws properly. Make sure that you have attached this plastic flap, the SSD, so that in future you have to attach the SATA connector gently. Insert the hard drive, the hard drive holder. Attach the hard drive holder. by fixing the two screws again. After that, you need to reconnect the battery connector. Put the back cover and attach all the screws again. Basically, you have to reverse the process. Make sure that the first you will put the longer screws and then the shorter ones. Make sure that all the screws fit properly. And now let us start our MacBook Pro. You'll feel the difference in rebooting itself. Initially, it will take around 1 minute to reboot, but after putting the SSD, it hardly takes 10 to 15 seconds. So this is the difference it makes. Thank you, friends.